Hello everyone. We'll start our new chapter that is geometry. As we have discussed yesterday in the live classes about the geometry chapter. So what are the things that we are going to learn in this chapter? Let's see. So to learn more on flat shapes and solid shapes. Okay, in this chapter we learn about the solid shapes and flat shapes. As you know what is no flat shape and what is solid shape, as you know. Yes or no? Now to understand the concept of point, line, and line segment, these terms are new for us. So, we will learn in this chapter to learn about the various shapes using a 10 gram shapes. 10 gram is also new for us. What is the use of 10 gram and what is 10 gram? I'll explain you. To learn about distillation, here also distillation is also a new thing. To learn about the simple map. So, how to read the map, how to read the directions. Got it, children? We are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so let's start with the terms related to the geometry. So in this part, as you can see here, the terms are there given: point, line segment, ray, and curve. These are the terms which are used in geometry. Got it, children? So point is the smallest figure in geometry. Got it? Only one dot. A point is represented by a dot and its name with a capital letter. Got it, children? A point is represented by dot and its name with a capital letter. Keep it in mind. We can use any alphabet from A to Z, but that should be in capital letter. Got it? And they are named as point B, point O, and point X, as you can see here. Example: point B, point O, and point X. Got it? Now, line. What is line? Line is a collection of points. When this type of point is are collected in a straight path, so it's form a line. Got it, children? When this type of point, this type of dot is collected in a straight path, so that form a line. So a line is a collection of points and it extends in both directions. That is why the two arrows are given when line is given. The two arrows are there, so this is line. Got it? As you can see here, AB, this is AB is a line, PQ, this is PQ is a line, and YZ is also a line. So they are written as the short form. Top side on the top we can we will have to write, we have to make the line and AB. So this means line AB, line PQ, line YZ. So we can write in this with a short form of writing line, representing line. Got it? Keep it in mind. Where both the arrow, both side arrow is given, that means it can extend in both direction and it is a line. Okay. Now line segment. What is line segment? Line segment is a part of line and it cannot extend in any direction. As you can see here, one stop and here another stop is given here. Full stop. That means a point. Okay. So this line segment has two endpoints. Got it, children? The two endpoint is there, that is C and D. Got it? The two endpoints are is there, that is C and D. So this line can extend up to C and D, not further than that. Got it? When no arrows are there in the line segment, in the line, so that means that is a line segment. This no use of this arrow, no use of this arrow, because the line stop here, the line finish here. Got it? The line segment. So CD is a line segment and is written as in this way. The short form of writing line segment is CD and one line on the top of the CD. Clear? Now ray. A ray has one endpoint and extend endlessly in the other direction. As you can see here, it has one endpoint and it can extend in other direction. Got it? We can draw in this way also. In the opposite direction also we can also draw. Not only this way. Got it, children? Now, like a sun rays. So we know that the sun rays comes from the sun, but where it goes we don't know. Means it has endless in the next direction, in the other direction. Got it? AB is a ray and is written as in this way. Got it, children? Now, point A is the end point. Here, the point A is the end point and the ray extend endlessly towards B. Means this side the ray can extend up to endlessly. Means we infinity. We cannot say this ray ends here. We cannot say this can go up to infinity thought. Got it, children? Now, curve. What is curve? Curve is also a collection of points, but it does not follow a straight path. As you can see here, which do not follow a straight path. AB is a curve. Yeah, this is a curve. It does not follow a straight path, so that is why it is a curve. Clear about this? Now, so here children, dot grid. Dot grid. So dot grid, what is dot grid? So dot grid is a set of evenly spaced dots where by joining the dot can we can create a vertical, horizontal, diagonal lines as well as curved line. Means these dots are in a equal distance from each other. And by joining these dots, we can form a different types of shapes and figures. Got it, children? Different types of shapes, different types of lines and figures. See here how vertical line is made here, vertical line, horizontal line, diagonal line and curved line. By using this dot grid we can draw shape also. Got it, children? Now 10-gram shapes. 10-gram shape is a Chinese geometrical puzzle which contain a square cut into 7 pieces. Means this is a square piece of paper and this paper is cut into a 7 pieces, and with the different pieces, by using these different pieces we can form a different kinds of shapes like a candle, like aeroplane, like a horse. Okay, children? So these pieces can be arranged in different way to make a various shapes and figure. Now see here in this page, you'll come to know. See, this is a camel. By using the 10 gram shapes, we are making here camel, fish, sailboats, bear, rabbit, cat, man on horse, and shark. We can form few different kinds of what shapes by using this 10 gram pieces of the puzzle pieces. Got it, children? Now, so here what we have to do. See here, write the name of the following. Now be careful, just you see here that we have to write the name of the following. So both side arrow is there. So that means this is a line AB. Okay. Now this is a dot. So this is point A. Then this is, what is this? Only one dot and one arrow is there. That means this is a ray AB. Now this both side point is dot is there, that means full stop. That is, what is this? This is a line segment. Okay, now this is both side arrow is there, so this is line segment XY and this is a line EF and this is curve, so this is curve GH. Got it? Very easy. Now draw the following on the given dot grid. So here we have to draw a diagonal line, rectangle, curve and triangle. So let's start with the diagonal line. So this is the diagonal line. Now rectangle. So let's draw a rectangle here. Rectangle. Then curve. So this is a curve. And now triangle. Done. In this way we can draw by using this type of figures on the dot grid. Now 10 gram. We have to write the name of this and identify the object shown in the picture. So it's look like a aeroplane. So aeroplane. So this is candle. This is rocket. And this is sun. Okay, this is sun. So in this way we will write the name of this 10 gram. We can form different shapes also by using this 10 gram. But children, so you keep on practicing. Okay, thank you everyone.